Big breaking news coming in right there on Bunty Sachdev. The CBI is looking for any possible link between Sushant Singh Rajput's death and Disha Salian. The CEO of Cornerstone, Bunty Sachdev, the firm for which Disha Salian was working, is right now being questioned by the CBI again today. So let's see what comes out of it. This is a crucial lead given the fact that Disha worked for Bunty Sachdev. This is a regular course of questioning by the CBI at the moment. Bunty Sachdev being grilled by the CBI today once again. Divyesh is joining us with the very latest. Divyesh, let's just put the facts out there. Bunty Sachdev is the CEO of Cornerstone. Disha Salian was working for Cornerstone, and hence questioning Bunty Sachdev becomes very important to know perhaps Disha's state of mind, who she was in touch with, the lay of the land surrounding Disha as well. And now the crucial part here is that the death of Disha Salian and the possible linkage with Sushant's death is being probed by the CBI. Over to you. Can you hear me? Divyesh? Okay, let's get Divyesh back in just about a bit. But for our viewers who have just tuned in, Bunty Sachdev happens to be the CEO of Cornerstone, and for a firm for which Disha Salian was working. And the reason why he's being questioned is, of course, to probe Disha's state of mind, who she was in touch with, and a thorough investigation is being conducted on Disha Salian. Divyesh is back with us. Divyesh, what I was earlier asking is that this probe becomes very important because they are trying to link Disha's death in case there is any connection with Sushant's death, and that is being probed, and hence the people that Disha worked with are being questioned. And now the CEO of Cornerstone, which was headed by Bunty, is being questioned.
Chaiti, Disha Salian did work with Cornerstone LLP and was part of the team that handled Sushant Singh Rajput's account. But it is also important why Bunty Sachdev is being questioned, because it is a talent management company that had Sushant Singh Rajput's account. And remember, there is a allegation against Rhea Chakrabarti and other accused that there's been an embezzlement of rupees 15 crores from Sushant Singh Rajput's accounts. That is why Sushant's financials are being checked. All the expenditure is being checked, and Bunty Sachdev is important because he could provide details on what all kind of work did he provide Sushant Singh Rajput, what were the earnings, what was the money that he earned from that kind of work. And so Bunty Sachdev will be initially questioned regarding the financials and also regarding Disha Salian, who was working for Cornerstone LLP and also dealt with Sushant Singh Rajput's account. And that is why these two things are very important. Remember, Cornerstone LLP is a talent management company that had Sushant Singh Rajput's account, and whatever he earned was routed through Cornerstone LLP. Ads, endorsements, commercials, events, and various promotions as such that were brought in by Cornerstone. And Disha Salian was handling that account for some time, and she also communicated with Sushant Singh Rajput when in the month of May as well. That has come to light. The WhatsApp messages have surfaced, and she did communicate with Sushant Singh Rajput, but Sushant had met Disha Salian only once, and it was Uday Singh Gauri or Bunty Sachdev who dealt directly with Sushant Singh Rajput regarding whatever work was being brought for Sushant Singh Rajput. And that is why CBI is going to grill him, ask him regarding the money that he had earned from all the projects that were brought by Cornerstone.
And this is an important development, Divyesh, also because there are questions being raised on whether the death of Disha Salian was indeed connected to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput or not. And hence Bunty Sachdev, who is the CEO of Cornerstone, for whom Disha used to work for, has now been brought in for questioning once again. We're going to be on top of the story. Divyesh, thanks very much for joining us with those updates right there. Take a short commercial break. News and updates on the